Hello, everyone. Hello, my all dear friends. Today, Wednesday, June the 11th, Wednesday. This time, take half hour introducing our Camless spring forming machine. This is our assembly workshop. This is our assembly workshop. We are spring machine manufacturer. I'm a baker, export sales manager. Firstly, let me introduce the brief of our factory. This is our factory. This is Baker GuangJin spring machine manufacturer, CNC spring machine manufacturer in Dongguan City, founded 2005. Founded in year 2005. We are professional spring machine manufacturer, and presently the temperature in indoor temperature about 32 Celsius degree. 32 Celsius degree. So I'm gonna get all wet. Okay. This introducing the Camless spring forming machine. We are professional spring machine manufacturer. Today, the focus on Camless spring forming machine. This is my brief information. I'm a baker. You can find more videos at this site and at my WhatsApp, WeChat. This is my contact information. Today, the focus on Camless spring forming machine. For example, these three models, Camless for conveyor belt chocolate coating, chocolate enrolling. This one of our special sellers, special solutions. As well for the springs, for regular spring, for like us, torsion, double torsion, tension, extension, pull spring. Today, the topic is the Camless spring forming machine. Here's one picture telling the Camless spring forming machine. Here's show you the four models for the Camless set up easily, set up in a short time, and the learning compared to the cam-based one. This Camless easily to learning, is operates and the daily maintenance. This is the Camless with more servo motors, easily set up, easily learning the skill to operate it. These four models available. Spring forming machine, multi-function, multi-purpose for regular springs, also like torsion, double torsion, or special wire bending, wire forming products. These two models at the site. This one heavy duty, for presently 12 total, 12 axes for the wire, 3 feeding wire diameter range, 3 to 8 millimeter, 3 to 8 millimeter. This one with wire rotary, gearbox type wire feeding. Camless, this work panel, behind the work panel for the tools, wire feeding tools. Behind the work panel, wire feeding tools. Below the work panel, wire feeding tools. Behind, in front of the work panel, the forming tools, the special task forming tools. This presently 8 sliders, and for this program we store just 1, 2, 3, 4, just 4 sliders during this task. So this task are comparing a simple task. It's a simple task for presently. For more complicated we use at the chassis a hold the control system servers, power supply, transformer, air switches, all the main electric parts are held in the chassis. And the work panel, from the work panel, the parts of sliders, the slider rail, tool holder, heat pad, and the movable tool holder. Then hold the tools, the manger. This is the manger. The spinner, the tools for spinner. The special task tools, So is wire bending, spring forming, wire forming tools, manger for the larger task. So the manger will be extended larger or longer. Extended as longer, the larger, more larger, the manger will be get longer, extended longer for the larger and the larger products. And below the work panel, behind the work panel is the chamber or cabinet holding the wire rotary and the wire feeding. For we have in the similar cabinet with wire rotary for different tasks, different wire thickness. We have machine models max for 4 millimeter, 6 millimeter, 8 millimeter, and up to 12 millimeter. So this is a one total presently the 12 axis for 3 to 8 millimeter. 3 to 8 millimeter. And this one installing for Camless no wire rotary, feeding wire range 0.3 to 1.6 millimeter, and the chassis deep blue made the cut is a tailor-made solution at the chassis for the deep blue painted deep blue. This one for extension torsion. No wire rotary, feeding wire 0.3 to 1.6 millimeter. And this one heavy duty for the big wire 3 to 8 millimeter. 3 to 8 millimeter. For agricultural purpose as the lectins. Here's some of the samples at the bottom. Every of them we can make it by our Camless spring forming machine. For the torsion spring, double torsion spring, for clamp or wire clip, and the wire bending, wire forming products. A widely usage. Here's the agriculture usage for a spring tan, double tan, 5 to 10 millimeter, hay, lake tan, store bearer spring part, agricultural machinery spring part. This is my contact information. I'm a bigger export sales manager. So here's the two angles telling this sheet telling 4 models from 6 max to 12 millimeter in the same using the same work panel and the different feeding roller, 4 pair feeding roller and 5 pair feeding rollers paired with the different level, different ability of the wire decoil. This sellers telling 4 models for different ability, max to 6, 8, 10, 12 millimeter. Here's the structure and the key figures, the size and the key size for the sliders, tools in front of the work panel and the operating system, Alcucci, English, Chinese, 17 monitor. The monitor is 17. The size, monitor size 17. We are professional spring machine manufacturer. Professional spring machine manufacturer. And the first one at site, once ready one available, can be parameters of this machine. Key parameters of this machine. Key parameters of Camless with wire rotary model GJ80R 3 to 8 millimeter. Work panel 6 feet wide. Height 1.86 millimeter. 1.86 meter. And the decoil loadable max 1200 kilograms. For extension, pro, double torsion, store bearer, leg tan for heavy duty, heavy industry for mining machinery, spring part. This is our model GJ80R 3 to 8 millimeter. 3 to 8 millimeter. Here's the key parameters. The key parameters for his purpose. Extension, pro spring, double torsion spring, store bearer, leg tan, heavy duty, heavy industry, mining industry. For the cars spring parts, for example, the brake spring, the accelerator spring, for the clutch spring as well. Also for agriculture, spring part or clamp clip, this smart spring forming machine and some of the products he ever made. Clamp, a clips, while bending into clamp or clip, furring, channel clip, plant, brackets, snap, bamboo, trellis, clip, greenhouse, lattice, clip. And this is a one, the dark blue under construction, Camless, no wire rotary, model GJ16X 0. Feeding wire length 0.3 to 1.6 millimeter. Meanwhile, I show you another model, Camless no wire rotary for this model GJ25X. Feeding wire length 0.2 up to 2.5 millimeter, and the wire feeding servo motor 2.7 kilowatt, one spinner motors, Saiyan Denki, Japan. Control system Akuchi. Work panel. This is a mid-sized Camless spring forming machine without wire rotary. For extension, torsion, pull spring, artifacts, constant force, wire forming, conveyor belt, ladder belt, wire mesh. This is our assembly workshop. We are professional spring machine manufacturer in Dongguan City, just within 1 hour taxi ride from Canton Fair site to our factory. Okay, from Canton Fair site to our factory, just 1 hour taxi ride. Our workshop have total 6 models at different stage. This one, the lady get the order, then go sampling. Well can be arranged the fast dispatch within 10 to 12 days. This one, heavy duty, with wire rotary. 6 models available at site. Some awaiting the client be here for a free user training, and some sampling completed will go next dispatch soonest. Okay, one more time, my dear friends. This is Baker. One more time. This is my contact information. Please interest for more questions, for more concerns. You can add my WhatsApp and send me your inquiry, send me your questions, send me your first rough idea about your tasks, about your plan for the coming purchase. We are the machine manufacturer. We provide CNC spring forming machine or CNC and CNC spring coiling machine. This is my WhatsApp. You can add, then have a face-to-face discussion. Or next time your team comes to chat within 1 hour's taxi ride within 1 hour.